Welcome back student. This is the new video number 4 of chapter number 7, structural organization in animals. In the continuation of the topic connective tissue, we already discussed in the video number 3 about the loose connective tissue. This is the first type of connective tissue. Now let us see about the dense connective tissue and specialized connective tissue. The dense connective tissue are composed of fibers and fibroblasts, okay, and their fibers and fibroblasts are maybe regular or irregular pattern. Hence they are said to be dense regular connective tissue or dense irregular connective tissue. Dense regular connective tissue show the collagen fiber present in row between the many bundles like tendons and ligaments. In tendons, the skeletal muscles is attached to the bone, while in ligament, the bone is attached to the bone. You can see the figure of this dense regular connective tissue having a collagen fiber, which is a special type of protein. While in irregular pattern of dense irregular connective tissue, the orientation is different. They oriented differently and found in the skin. They have the many fibroblasts and fibers which are mostly collagen. This is the structure of dense irregular connective tissue having a collagen fiber. These are the irregular pattern of collagen fibers. So this is about the dense connective tissue. This is the second type of connective tissue. Now the third one is the specialized connective tissue, including cartilage, bones and blood. So this is the third type of connective tissue, specialized tissue. Okay, specialized tissue is are of cartilage, bones and blood. The cartilage is pliable or solid, and the cell of cartilage is known as chondrocytes. They are the pliable structure. Most of the cartilage in vertebrate embryo replaced by bones in adult. Actually, cartilage are found in the embryo of the vertebrate, which is replaced by bones, hard bones in the adult. And the cartilage is found in the tip of the nose, outer ear joints, and between the adjacent bone of vertebral column, limbs and hands. Okay. So this is about the cartilage, which is the pliable structure. You can see the structure of cartilage having a collagen fiber, and these are the cartilage cell, means chondrocytes cell. This is the structure of cartilaginous specialized type of connective tissue. The second one is the bones. Bones have hard and non-pliable ground rich in calcium salt and collagen fiber, which provide them to the strength. It is the main tissue which form the structural frame of the body. Bones are the main tissue which provide the structural frame to the body, and it protect and support to the softer tissue and softer organs of the body. Bone cells are known as osteocytes, are present in the space called lacunae. The limb bones of the body serve as a weight bearing functions. They bear the whole weight of the body, the limb bone of the body. They also help in the movement with the help of skeletal muscles. The bone marrow of the bone considered as the formation of blood cells. This is the structure of bone and osteocytes. The study of bones is known as osteology. Okay, and the person who study on bones, they are known as osteologist. Now the third type of specialized connective tissue is blood. So blood is a fluid connective tissue which contains the plasma, red blood calf cells, WBC, white blood calf cells and platelets. It is the main circulating fluid that help in the transport of various substances in the body. Red blood cells help in the transport of gases. WBC cells, white blood cells, they provide the immunity to the body, and platelets perform the function of blood clotting. Okay, so these are the three type of blood cells found in the body. They are the blood, special type of connective tissue, and this is the simple structure of blood cells. These are the RBC, it is the non-nucleated. This is the WBC, nucleated, bilobed, trilobed, okay, monocytes, and these are the platelet cells. So these are the three structure of cartilage, bones and platelets, and these are the special type of connective tissue. This is the third type of connective tissue, special type of connective tissue. The first type is the loose connective tissue and second type is dense connective tissue, while this is the special type of connective tissue, third connective tissue. They are the most abundant and widely distributed in the human body. Okay, so this is all about the topic connective tissue. And video number 4. In the next video number 5, we will study about the next animal tissue, that is muscular tissue or muscle tissue.